If your iPhone's touchscreen is not working, it's a brick, but luckily it can be fixed. So what you want to do first is make sure that if you have a cover, a screen cover, screen protector on your phone, that it's not damaged and interfering with your ability or the phone's ability to detect you touching it. And sometimes cases also have protectors built in, and it could be that that's interfering with the touchscreen as well. If you've ruled that out, you can also try cleaning your phone surface, the screen, very thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. That likely isn't the issue because that wouldn't affect the entire surface. Like if it's dirty down here, it wouldn't affect your touchability up here. So that's likely not it, but it's worth a try. And then what you got to do after that, if those don't fix it, is repeatedly reboot the phone. To reboot the phone, you press volume up, volume down, and hold the power button in quick succession. You keep holding the power button. Keep holding it. Do not swipe to power off. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. And there we go. Now we can let go of it. And hopefully that reboot, which will reload all the phone's software and all the systems it needs to run, will be rebooted and restarted and configured from scratch. So hopefully that will fix your touchscreen issue. You might have to do that multiple times in a row. And you can also plug your phone in and then reboot it as well. So same idea, just plug it in to your computer and then try rebooting it. Up volume, down volume, hold the action button while it's plugged in, and then keep doing that until the touchscreen starts working again. And that should do it. If that does not do it, your only other option is to take it to an Apple store or some other Apple expert who can check it out more thoroughly and help you solve the problem. I hope you got value from this video. Like and subscribe to let me know if you did, and I'll see you on the next one.